Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to subtract two numbers in the algebraic simulator. Okay, in the previous video I have explained about the addition of two numbers. Okay, I have given a clear explanation. Okay, if you want you can use the link in the description box. Okay, uh, you can see the subtraction program here. Okay, you can see the these are mnemonics. Okay, this MOVINX, these are mnemonics. Okay, this is the input given. Okay, in C050. Okay, memory, I'm gonna go to C050. You can see here C050. I'm gonna store my 95, that is in hexadecimal number here. Okay, and then 65 here. Okay, and then I'm gonna subtract it. Okay, this is how you give the input to the simulator. Okay, okay, let's assemble. Okay, you can see here for the first mnemonic LXI H comma C050, my X code is 21. This simulator is capable of only executing based upon the X codes. Okay, for my mnemonic MOV, its corresponding X code is 70. Okay, the simulator is going to see only the 70. Okay, it's going to do the work based on the X code. Okay, for every mnemonic there is a corresponding X code here. Okay, you can see the first LXI. Okay, load immediate. Okay, H comma C050. Okay, in the register H I'm going to store C0. Okay, in the L register I'm going to store 50. Okay, you can see I'm going to run step by step. Okay, after I execute this step you can see here H and L. Okay, I'm going to execute now. Forward. Okay, you can see here I have stored 95 in C050, 65 in C051. Okay, my H register gets H registers can store only 8 bits, right? Okay, H can store 8 bit, L can store 8 bit. Okay, so H gets C050, that is 8 bit address. Okay, L5050. Okay, now memory has 95. Okay, because the C050 contains a data that is 95 will be stored in this memory register. Okay, you can see here next MOVA command M. Okay, I'm gonna uh, it doesn't move, it's actually copies. Okay, remember guys. Okay, it's actually copies. Okay, you can see now 95. Okay, after execute this step 95 will be moved to accumulator. Okay, you can see here 95 is moved to accumulator, right? Okay, now one of my number is 95. I have moved it to accumulator. Okay, INXH. Okay, there IN, that is increment HL pair register. Don't think only H is having L is not there, so it only increment. It's not like that. Okay, it increments both. Okay, C050. Okay, my C is 84, right? C is 12, C05, right? 0101 C05 0000. Okay, there is C050. Okay, I'm gonna increment by 1. Okay, what is the same C? Okay, the same 0, that is same 5. Okay, I'm gonna get 1. Okay, the same thing is happening here. Okay, that is incrementing H. Okay, HL bar, this is H register, this is L register, right? Okay, H has C0, H has C0, L has 5050. When I increment this, that is addition, adding 1, I'm gonna get C051. Okay, you can see here incrementing H. Okay, my L register goes to 51. Okay, C0502 C0, this will remain same, right? Okay, only this register is going to change, that is C051. Now I'm gonna subtract A equals A minus M, right? Okay, that is what this mnemonic is doing. Okay, CA is equals CA minus 1. Okay. My A is 95, right? That is 95 1 0 0 1, okay. And then 0 1 0 1, that is 9 and then 5, okay, and then 65. Okay, now my memory has 65. Okay, because my memory pointer here is pointing to C051 now. Okay, C051. Okay, my next mnemonic to execute is in 0005. Okay, my next mnemonic is 0005. Okay, program counter, it points to the next mnemonic to execute, and then memory pointer, okay, is gonna the current memory. Okay, it is the current memory pointing place. Okay, that is it. The next mnemonic to execute is subtraction. Okay, that is sub b. Okay, that is A equals A minus M. Okay, currently my A has one of the number, okay, and my M has the second number, right? Okay, you can see, but currently my A has 95, that is the given input, and then my M has okay, wait, let me follow. Okay, and then my memory has 65 here. Okay, accumulator has 95 and then 65. Now I need to do the subtraction. Okay, that is 95, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, 9 0 1 0 1, that is 5, and then 65, that is 0 1 1 0, and then 0 1 0 1. Okay, I need to subtract it. 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, and then 0 minus 1 0. Okay, then 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1. Okay, I'm gonna get a borrow. Okay, I'm gonna get 1 here, I'm gonna get here 1. Okay, and then subtraction, I'm gonna get 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, 1, that is 3, right? And then this one is 0, there is no carry. Okay, you can see, I'm gonna forward this. You can see the 3 0 here now. Okay, you can see here that the subtraction result of subtraction is 3 0. Okay, you can see the 3 0 here, that is stored in the accumulator. Okay, after subtraction my result is stored in accumulator. Okay, you can see at the flag register. Okay, my auxiliary carry is set to 1. Okay, and then parity is set to 1. Okay, you can see here 1 2, that is even number of ones, right? Okay, that's why my parity is set to 1. Okay, and then auxiliary carry is set to 1. Okay, I'm gonna erase now. Okay, let me give the 65 here and then 95 here. Okay, I'm going to do the 65. Okay, that is 0 1 1 0, sorry, that is 65 6 5 and then 95, that is 1 0 0 1, and then 0 1 0 1. Okay, you can see 1 minus 1 0. All the 4 bits are 0 here. Okay, you can see 0 minus 1, right? Okay, so that I will be getting here 1. Okay, and then I get 0 minus 0 is 0, then 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, there is a 0 here. Okay, getting this will be 1 here. Okay, and then I will be getting 1 here, and then a cat, that is D, right? That is A, B, C, I think 13. Okay, my result is 13, that is D, and then 0 with the carry, right? Okay, there's a carry here. Okay, let me assemble. Okay, let me go step by step. Okay, C050. Okay, move accumulator to TM. One of my first number is 65 now, right? Okay, my first number is 65 now, and then I'm gonna increment this Excel pair register, so that I will be pointing to 95 now, and then I'm going to use sub m. Okay, you can see here the value is D0. Okay, you can see here D0. Okay, and then I'm gonna increment again H. Okay, so that I will be pointing to C052 now. Okay, now my result is presenting A, right? Okay, so that I want to store now. Okay, so that I will be using move, that is actually copying. Okay, remember. Okay. Now I have you can see here in C052, my result is stored, that is D0. Okay, and then add. Okay. You can see 95 minus 65 is 30, right? Okay, you can see here 30. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video.